commence this significant milestone in the company's journey. So before we begin, everybody, please rise and join us in honoring our nation with national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जन गण.
Thank you, everybody. Please be seated. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for your cooperation. And now, it's my privilege to introduce the exceptional management team of Chandan Healthcare Limited on the stage, whose visionary leadership and unwavering dedication have been instrumental in achieving this remarkable success. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as I invite Dr. Amar Singh, Chairman and MD, Chandan Healthcare Limited, to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mrs. Asmita Singh, MD, Chandan Healthcare. Everybody please put your hands together. A very warm welcome, ma'am. Requesting Mrs. Asti Singh, Director Finance, CSCL, please join us. Everybody, big round of applause. Requesting Mr. Vinay Lamba, Non-Executive Director, Chandan Healthcare Limited, please join us. A very warm welcome, sir. Requesting Mr. Rajiv Nain, CFO and Compliance Officer, CSCL. And now, Dr. R.B. Kalia, COO, CSCL. Everybody, big round of applause for the wonderful management team. Thank you so much. And now, we are also privileged to have our esteemed guest. So it's an honor to invite Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager, National Stock Exchange. Please join us onto the stage, ma'am. Everybody, big round of applause. As a token of appreciation, may I request Dr. Amar Singh to please present a bouquet to Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari. Please, everyone. Please put your hands together. A small token of appreciation, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. And now, it's an honor to invite Mr. Deep Shah, Unistone Capital Private Limited, Lead Manager of this issue. A very warm welcome, sir. And now may I request Mrs. Asmita Singh to please present a bouquet to Mr. Deep Shah. Everybody, big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, proceeding further, now it's an honor to invite Mr. Navdeep Vashne, RK Stock Holdings Private Limited, market maker of this issue, to please join us on stage. And now may I request Mr. Rajiv Nair to present a bouquet to Mr. Navdeep Vashne. Everybody, big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. And now, it's my honor to invite Dr. Vinod Jain, Independent Director of Chandan Healthcare Limited, to please join us on stage. A very warm welcome, sir. May I request Mrs. Asti Singh to please present a bouquet to Dr. Vinod Jain. Everybody, big round of applause. Thank you. And now requesting Mr. Amit Gupta, Independent Director of Chandan Healthcare Limited. Please join us, sir. Big round of applause. Thank you. A very warm welcome, sir. May I request Mr. Vinay Lambha to please present a bouquet to Mr. Amit Gupta. Everybody, please put your hands together. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now, may I invite Mr. Brahmanand Bhartiye, Independent Director of Chandan Healthcare Limited. Okay, thank you. He's not present with us, but please put your hands together for him. Thank you. Thank you, esteemed guests, for gracing this occasion. And now, may I request everybody to please come forward for lamp lighting. I would like to invite our all distinguished guests to please light the ceremonial lamp. And may I request Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager from National Stock Exchange, to please join. Mr. Deep Shah from Unistone, please join everyone. And now may this light guide Chandan Healthcare Limited towards even greater success and great prosperity. And we are now all set. Representing India's tradition. And may this light guide Chandan Healthcare Limited towards greater and greater success. Thank you.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गणपतये नमो नमः श्री सिद्ध।
Thank you, everybody. Please put your hands together. Thank you. May I request all our esteemed guests to please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's take a moment to celebrate the incredible journey of Chandan Healthcare Limited, a name that has redefined excellence in diagnostic healthcare. So founded in September 2003, Chandan Healthcare Limited has emerged as a leading diagnostic service provider in North India, offering comprehensive pathology and radiology testing services across the region. And now, as of today, the company proudly operates 1 flagship laboratory, 9 central laboratories, 27 satellite centers, 300 plus collection centers spanning 23 plus cities in Uttar Pradesh and 19 plus cities in Uttarakhand and 1 in Rajasthan. So ladies and gentlemen, we provide routine and specialized pathology tests. We provide advanced radiology and imaging services. We also provide preventive and wellness health packages, plus home sample collection services and pharma products via Chandan Pharmacy Limited. And we have strong regional presence in 39 plus tier 2 cities and towns. And we have an integrated diagnostic provider offering pathology, radiology and medical consultation. We have a proven track record of financial stability and profitability, and we are a seasoned leadership team with deep industry expertise. Thank you everybody for your trust in us, and as a trusted name in diagnostic healthcare, Chandan Healthcare Limited remains committed to provide accurate, affordable and accessible medical testing services to the communities across North India. So everybody, let's applause for the incredible journey. And now we are proceeding towards our corporate video, so eyes upon the main LED screen.
मरीज के लिए जितना जरूरी सही इलाज है, उतना ही जरूरी है उसके टेस्ट रिपोर्ट की एक्यूरेसी। हम चंदन डायग्नोस्टिक भरोसा है 3 करोड़ से अधिक मरीजों का
और जरिया है प्रति वर्ष 2.5 लाख से अधिक मरीजों की मुस्कान का।
हम भारत में वर्षों से 24/7 बेस्ट और लीडिंग डायग्नोस्टिक सर्विसेज देते आ रहे हैं।
हमारी फैसिलिटीज इक्विप्ड है स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी से, जिससे मिलती है टाइमली रिपोर्ट्स, वो भी पूरी एक्यूरेसी के साथ। हमारे 55 प्लस सेंटर्स और 500 प्लस फ्रेंचाइजेस उत्तर प्रदेश से उत्तराखंड तक फैली हुई है। अयोध्या, अल्मोड़ा, बागेश्वर, बाराबंकी, बस्ती, देहरादून, गोरखपुर, हल्द्वानी, हरिद्वार, जयपुर, कानपुर, नैनीताल, इलाहाबाद, वाराणसी, लखनऊ, हर शहर में हमारे यहाँ रेडियोलॉजी सर्विसेज जैसे एक्सरे, सीटी स्कैन्स, डिजिटल मैमोग्राफी, बीएमडी, एमआरआई स्कैन्स, अल्ट्रासाउंड एग्जामिनेशंस के साथ साथ पैथोलॉजी टेस्ट्स जैसे इम्यूनोकेमिस्ट्री, साइटोलॉजी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री, हेमेटोलॉजी, हिस्टोपैथोलॉजी, मॉलिक्यूलर टेस्टिंग, कार्डियोलॉजी सर्विसेज जिसमें 2D एको, टीएमटी, ईसीजी, रेस्पिरेटरी टेस्ट्स जैसे एबिस, पीएफटी और न्यूरोलॉजी सर्विसेज जैसे ईईजी, ईएमजी, एनसीवी, बेरा। इसके अलावा सभी डायग्नोस्टिक सर्विसेज पूरी एक्यूरेसी के साथ मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स के अनुसार उपलब्ध करवाए जाते हैं। हमारी फार्मेसी सर्विसेज में आपको क्वालिटी मेडिसिन मिलती है जो आपके ट्रीटमेंट को सपोर्ट करती है। हमारे एक्सपीरियंस्ड फार्मासिस्ट्स आपको सही गाइडेंस और मेडिसिन के बारे में प्रॉपर एडवाइस देते हैं। चंदन 24/7 ऐप प्ले स्टोर पे अवेलेबल है, जिसके थ्रू रिपोर्ट्स को मोबाइल पे डायरेक्टली एक्सेस किया जा सकता है।
चंदन डायग्नोस्टिक, जहां आपका स्वास्थ्य है हमारी प्राथमिकता।
Yes, your health is our priority. And now proceeding further, it's now my honor to invite Dr. Amar Singh, Chairman and MD, Chandan Healthcare Limited, to please join us on stage to share his insights and opening remarks. Can I have a huge round of applause for Dr. Amar Singh? A very warm welcome, sir.
Good morning to all of you. Everybody is comfortable here? At least I am not. Ladies and gentlemen and respected guests, I feel great pride at the occasion of the listing of shares of Chandan Healthcare. I was a doctor, very happy. I am entrepreneur, I am happy. But from today onwards, I am custodian of so many shares, so many shareholders. I am not comfortable, but I am responsible. From our humble beginning in 1991, Chandan has grown to become a household name in healthcare industry. It was a very small beginning. It was a small center, having no vision, and we could reach at this level in the course of full journey. And our commitment to excellence has been the main reason for our success. We have invested in state-of-art facilities and a team of dedicated professionals who made healthcare accessible and affordable to all the patients. That was our specialty. And the biggest strength, the greatest strength in our organization is our top management. Over 30 plus leaders, I call them 30 superstars. They are heading this company in different departments for the last 33 years. It's a long journey. And most importantly, they are holding more than 25% shares of this company. I think you can put the hand together. Because of them, we could reach here. And each of them is not just a leader, not the owner, they are worker also. That's why we could reach at this level. Today, as we take this significant step of listing our shares, we are opening a new chapter of growth and financial stability also. Our focus will remain on expanding our services, entering new markets, and increasing our services in healthcare. Our vision is to become a global leader in healthcare, which is known for innovation and patient care. I would like to thank the board of directors, management team, employees, partners, and stakeholders for their constant efforts and support. Our corporate team, headed by CFO Mr. Rajiv Nain, they have done hard work for last 1 year, and it is their hard work and dedication that we could achieve this level. Thanks to regulatory bodies and stock exchange authorities for their guidance and support we got during last 1 year. All the time we were in touch with them. And I would also like to thank our merchant banker Unistone under the chairmanship of Mr. Brijesh Parekh ji. Mr. Navdeep has supported so much during last 1 year. I am really obliged. And last but not the least, my family is headed by my wife. Probably everybody is having the same problem. Every family is headed by his wife. There is no exception here. And my family is my biggest critic, but biggest support also. They never allowed me to fly. Whenever I became happy, they put me down. And without their support, I would not have done in the business what I could do. And today is the celebration and reflection. We are having a sense of pride and great responsibility. The listing of our share is not just a financial milestone. It is the responsibility to run the company to achieve our mission and vision. Thank you all for joining this historic moment. I always say, investor will be king. Now the time has come. But it is just a small beginning, and the best is yet to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Singh, for your inspiring words from the bottom of your heart. And now, we would like to welcome Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager from National Stock Exchange, to please join us and share your thoughts on this special occasion. Everybody, please put your hands together.
Dr. Amar Singh ji, Chairman and Managing Director, Chandan Healthcare Limited, Mrs. Asmita Singh, Managing Director, Chandan Healthcare Limited, Deepak Shah, Senior Manager, Unistone Capital Private Limited, and Vinay Lamba ji, Director, Chandan Healthcare Limited, and all other dignitaries, employees, and family members present. Good morning, and a warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of Chandan Healthcare Limited. The company runs diagnostic centers in North India with pathology and radiology testing services, Exchange is proud to welcome Chandan Healthcare Limited to our family of listing corporates, and this will be the 599th company to list on NSE Emerge platform. The total market capitalization of NSE Emerge listed companies has crossed INR 2.0 lakh crores. Total fund raised by all the listed companies on Emerge platform till date is around 16,300 crores. And from today onwards, Chandan Healthcare Limited will be an integral part of it. Now talking some about capital market. So India is the fourth largest market in world in terms of market capitalization of USD 4.58 trillion after US, China and Japan. The market capitalization of India has grown about 112 times in rupee terms since the exchange started its operation in 1994. I'm happy to share that recently exchange achieved a milestone of 11 crore unique registered investors having 21 crores accounts covering 7.5 crore plus households, accounting for nearly 20% of India's population directly nowadays investing in stock market. It's a testament of India's entrepreneurial activities and trust of its people on the entrepreneurs. The IPO of Chandan Healthcare Limited with an issue size of 107.36 crore garnered a good response. We hope that today's successful listing of Chandan Healthcare Limited will inspire many more companies to look at the public market as a promising alternative. We at Exchange are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunity for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital market more accessible. We hope that this listing day is the start of a strong partnership going forward between us. I congratulate the entire team of Chandan Healthcare Limited, the merchant banker, Unistone Capital Private Limited, and other parties associated with IPOs for their accomplishment. Today's listing is a testimony of their efforts. Exchange once again welcomes Chandan Healthcare Limited to the family and look forward to supporting you in your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. And now, the moment we have all been eagerly waiting for. So, are you ready? Are you ready? So, I would like to invite our distinguished guests to please gather around the bell as we begin the countdown to the official listing of Chandan Healthcare Limited. Dr. Amar Singh, Mrs. Anita Singh, Mrs. Asmita Singh, Mrs. Asti Singh, Mr. Vinay, Mr. Rajiv, Dr. R.B. Kalia, Mr. Deep, and Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari from National Stock Exchange. Everybody please come around this ringing bell. And now, requesting all our distinguished guests to please gather round the bell. And I want huge round of applause, everybody. Finally, the grand moment is here. Yes, hard work do pay off, and this is a very special moment. And now, we all are going to start the countdown. Please, everybody, eyes upon this main LED screen. We are left with 50 seconds, but before that, everybody, can I have energy in the room? Are you ready? Are you excited? So now we have to start the countdown. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to proceed for the countdown, and everyone please count with me. Now, 32, 31, 30. I want your applause also. Everybody, 27, 26, 25. Everybody, please say with me. 22, 21, 20. Come on, everybody. When we are left with 15 seconds, all of you will be going to start the countdown. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations and celebrations with the ringing of this bell. We officially welcome Chandan Healthcare Limited to the NSE family. Please put your hands together.
Deep sir, right?
Can I have Mr. Deep sir please come forward for the prize discovery? Deep sir. Deep sir, please. Everybody please put your hands together.
No, it's a pleasure. It's always been, they have a remarkable track record, and as we believe, we stand for a record. As you see, Unistone, for every listing we have, it's just the start of the listing, and we don't just support till the listing, but even after the listing, that is what we stand for under our visionary leadership of Mr. Brijesh Parekh and Mr. Jitendra Sanghvi. Congratulations to entire team of Chandan Healthcare, obviously Mr. Amarjit Singh and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now we officially welcome. We have a felicitation now. Everybody please put your hands together. We officially welcome Chandan Healthcare Limited to the NSE family. Now we have a felicitation. May I now request big round of applause for everyone. Wow. Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. And now we have a felicitation. Congratulations once again. Requesting Miss Nidhi Maheshwari from National Stock Exchange to please present memento to Dr. Amar Singh, Chairman and MD Chandan Healthcare Limited. Everybody please put your hands together. Can I have Nidhi ma'am please? We have a small felicitation, everybody. Please put your hands together. Thank you. Congratulations. And we are very proud to be listed. Thank you and congratulations. Congratulations, Dr. Amar Singh. Everybody, please put your hands together. Thank you. May I request Mr. Deep Shah from Unistone, please sir, join us nearby the ringing bell. Thank you. And now, can I request Miss Nidhi Maheshwari to please present memento to Unistone Capital Private Limited, Mr. Deep Shah. Everybody please put your hands together. Thank you so much. And now with this due respect, requesting Mr. Deep Shah from Unistone Capital Private Limited to please join us on stage to address the gathering. Congratulations once again everybody. Proceeding further with the protocols, and here is...
Thank you. Good morning. First of all, congratulations to the great beginning at the stock exchange. It's always been pleasure to be part of the listing ceremony, and again I'm very overwhelmed to be having a great warm hospitality at Lucknow. This moment not just marks the achievement and the start of the financial goal, but the beginning of new chapter in company's journey. As an investment banker, as I mentioned, under the visionary leadership of Mr. Parekh and Mr. Jitendra Sanghvi, we have had this privilege of witnessing the meticulous planning and relentless effort that have led to this day. This journey to the IPO is the testament to the resilience and dedication of all the teams involved therein. I would also like to extend an heartfelt congratulations to the entire team of Chandan Healthcare for their effort and perseverance throughout this process. I know they were a bit irritated with us with the time and timeline, but yes, we have to respect the protocol and process of the exchange and everyone involved therein. I would also like to acknowledge the support of all the stakeholders, the support, particularly the investors whose confidence and collaboration have played a key role in making this listing reality. And also, at the last, our great team, Saloni, Chintan, Rinku, Rinkesh, everyone, they have had a lot of effort to bring to this day, and I am just the guest to this ceremony. Today's achievement is a proud moment, and I'm excited to see what future holds for the company and investor as it embarks to the new journey. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Shah, for your encouraging remarks. And now, may I invite Mrs. Asmita Singh, Chandan Healthcare Limited, to please join us to address the gathering. A very warm welcome, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. First of all, I would like to thank you all for being here today with us. And congratulations to everybody. Our journey began in 1991 with a very small diagnostic center in Lucknow. From these humble beginnings, we have become a formidable force in healthcare industry with our presence in Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Rajasthan today. Customers remain our top priority. From home sample collection booking to instant report access through our app, we've embraced digital transformation to enhance customer convenience. The launch of our phlebotomist app last month has elevated our customer service to another level, as now our customers can live track our phlebos. I'm proud to announce today that we are introducing a revolutionary and innovative concept that combines lab tests, health checkups, medicines, and medical consultation all under one roof through our Chandan Diagnostic Centers. This marks a significant milestone as we seamlessly integrate telemedicine with diagnostics, enabling remote consultations and continuous monitoring to enhance patient care. As a part of our plan to become a pan-India company, we plan to expand to Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, and New Delhi within the next 3 months. Furthermore, we plan to expand our portfolio of specialized tests to offer even more advanced diagnostic solutions. We also anticipate significant consolidation in this fragmented industry in the near future. At the heart of our success are our employees. Their dedication, creativity, and unwavering commitment to excellence have been instrumental in shaping our company's success story. As we look ahead, we are filled with optimism and excitement. Our listing marks the beginning of a new chapter, one filled with opportunities for growth and innovation. We remain steadfast in our commitment to our customers, shareholders, employees, and communities. In the end, I would like to express my gratitude to everybody who has been a part of this journey. To our employees, thank you for your hard work, dedication, and commitment. To our shareholders, thank you for the patience and your trust in our vision. To our customers, thank you for your loyalty and support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging remarks. And now, proceeding further, may I invite Mrs. Asti Singh, Chandan Healthcare Limited, to please join us to address the gathering. Everybody, please put your hands together. A very warm welcome.
Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. Today is a very special day for our Chandan family as we embark on this new journey as a listed company. Yes, we were definitely confident that the results of the IPO would be positive, but the overwhelming results we got deeply humbled us. A big thank you to over 7,000 applicants who trusted us. Now, as we stand answerable to our investors who trusted us with their hard-earned money, we want to assure you that our focus today is on the future. Our focus is on fulfilling our responsibility of betterment of all our stakeholders by continuously building and creating value. India is in need of good and genuine diagnostic services at economical cost, and that is what we are committed to achieve. Close to 1,100 employees work every day to make this vision a reality. We are and always have been a leader in diagnostics in North India with a comprehensive local presence. Our mission has always been to increase trust in our customers by being more transparent, reliable, and consistent in our diagnostic reports and services. Our chairman's vision of putting customers first has become deeply ingrained in us and a working culture. His saying that there is always something can be done to improve the situation inspires us. In terms of journey, I would like to thank a very inspiring board of directors and team of senior management who have worked relentlessly in sync with a vision. Lastly, we feel confident that we will continue to provide strong, sustainable results in future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. And now with this, we now come to a very special moment in today's event, the felicitation ceremony. And now, this is our opportunity to honor and express our deepest gratitude to the key contributors, esteemed partners, and distinguished guests who have played a very important role in making this milestone possible. So their unwavering support, their dedication and contributions have been instrumental in shaping this journey. And now, to do the honors, may I invite Dr. Amar Singh, Chairman and MD, Chandan Healthcare Limited, to please join us on stage, who will personally present the mementos to each of our esteemed guests and partners. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's start. And now may I have the pleasure to invite Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager from National Stock Exchange, to please join us on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your trust. Everybody, please put your hands together. As a small token of gratitude, ma'am. Thank you. And now may I request Mr. Navdeep Varshane, Director, RK Stock Holdings Private Limited. Please join us, everybody. Please put your hands together. Thank you so much, sir, for trusting us. A small gratitude from our side. Everybody, please put your hands together for Mr. Navdeep. Thank you. And now we are very overwhelmed and proceeding further, presenting and requesting Mr. Deep Shah from Unistone to please join us. Everybody, please put your hands together. Thank you so much, sir, for making this milestone possible with us. Thank you. Big round of applause, everyone. To the entire team, everybody. Thank you to Unistone. We have a special gratitude for Mr. Chintan Shah, Unistone, please. And we have a special gratitude for Ms. Saloni Mehta also. Please stay with us. Everybody, please put your hands together for Unistone. And now to Ms. Saloni Mehta. Everybody, please put your hands together. Thank you. To the entire team. Thank you. And now, Mrs. Asmita Singh, MD, Chandan Healthcare Limited, please join us onto the stage. Thank you so much. Yeah. Can I have a big round of applause, everybody? We are celebrating this milestone. Thank you. And now, Mrs. Asti Singh, please join us, Director of Finance, Chandan Healthcare Limited. Please put your hands together, everyone. Thank you so much. A small token of gratitude. Thank you. Mr. Vinay Lambha, Non-Executive Director, Chandan Healthcare Limited. Please join us. Thank you so much, sir, for associating. We have the dignitaries on the stage, everyone. Thank you. CS Amit Gupta, Independent Director, Chandan Healthcare Limited. Please join us on stage. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Dr. Vinod Jain, Independent Director, Chandan Healthcare Limited. Thank you so much. A small token of gratitude. Thank you. Next is Mr. Rajiv Nain, CFO and Compliance Officer, CACL. Thank you so much, sir, for working hard together with us. Mrs. Shipra Singh, Senior Manager Compliance, CACL is coming up next. Congratulations. Thank you so much for working together with us. Thank you, Mr. Himanshu Pandey. Everybody please put your hands together for Mr. Himanshu Pandey. Sir, what are following? Everybody please put your hands together. Thank you, sir. Congratulations and celebrations. And may I invite now Mr. Yogesh Rai, CACL, to please join us on stage. Thank you so much. Thank you for celebrating this milestone with us. Mr. Neeraj Kumar is joining us next, everybody. Thank you so much, sir. Your support and dedication. Thank you so much, everyone. Congratulations. Thank you. And now next, Mr. Syed Ali Sham from CACL is joining us next. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. Congratulations, and Ms. Shreya Agarwal is joining us next from CACL. Thank you to the entire partners. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Everybody, big round of applause, please. Thank you. Now, can I have Mr. Shiv Kumar from CACL to join us next? Congratulations. Come on, everybody, once again, kudos to the entire team of CACL, everyone. Thank you. And now Mr. Manjoor Ansari, please join us next. Thank you, congratulations. I can see the team is very happy. Miss Shivangi Shukla is joining us next. The entire hard work and the sleepless nights, and finally we are here for this perfect moment. Congratulations once again. Thank you. Last but not the least, Mr. Abhay Mishra from CACL. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Well, thank you everyone once again. And now, as we conclude, let us look forward to a very bright future for Chandan Healthcare Limited. And now to formally close this ceremony, may I invite Mr. Rajiv Nain, CFO Chandan Healthcare Limited, to please join us and deliver the vote of thanks.
Well, good morning, all of you. Yes, we are listed now. और एक साल की जर्नी तो हमारी रही है, लेकिन ये 30 साल की जर्नी है जो डॉक्टर साहब का विजन था. एंड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ चंदन हेल्थ केयर लिमिटेड, आई थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ दिस सेलिब्रेशन. और इस तरह के सेलिब्रेशन हम और करेंगे. थैंक यू वंस अगेन. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rajiv. And now thank you all for joining us today. Please proceed to join the breakfast specially arranged for you. But before you leave, thanks for being a wonderful audience. Thanks and cheer up for all of you, everyone. So once, before we leave, can I have applause because we are very proud to be listed, and cheer up for Chandan Healthcare Limited. Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much. Here's to a very bright and promising future for Chandan Healthcare Limited. My name is Naina Baveja. We are signing off. Thank you so much.
Hello. Event चल रहा है सर. लखनऊ में चल रहा है, तुम इधर आना.